Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting new AI features in macOS Sequoia 15.1. These features are currently available only in the beta version, and they're packed with powerful tools like advanced writing aids, smart replies, and a more capable Siri. So, what do you expect AI can help you with in your daily tasks? Let's jump into the next part and explore how these new features could change the way you use your Mac. Number 1. Writing Tools. First up, let's check out the advanced writing tools. macOS Sequoia 15.1 introduces AI-powered features that help you rewrite, summarize, and proofread text. They're built right into Apple apps like Notes and Pages, and even work with third-party apps like Slack. These tools use natural language processing to analyze your text and offer smart suggestions based on the context. And here's a quick tip: to access these tools, just highlight the text and choose options like Rewrite or Summarize from the context menu. You can also switch between tones, friendly, professional, or concise, with just a click. Everything happens on device, so your data stays private. Number 2. Smart Replies. Next, we have Smart Replies. Sequoia 15.1 makes responding to messages faster and easier with AI-generated suggestions that fit the context of your conversations. Whether you're replying to a quick text or handling an email, these smart responses are designed to save you time. Number 3. Enhanced Siri. Next up, let's talk about Siri in macOS Sequoia 15.1, now smarter, faster, and more capable than ever. One of the coolest new features is that Siri can keep up with multiple requests. For example, if you ask Siri to schedule a trip, you can follow up by asking what the weather will be like for your trip, and it'll know exactly what you mean. But that's just the start. Siri can now take actions across apps. Whether it's moving files, sending email drafts, or editing photos, Siri's new AI features let you handle complex tasks with just your voice. It even has access to Apple's vast product knowledge, so you can ask Siri about device features, settings, or get a tutorial on something new. And here's the big one: Siri is now integrated with ChatGPT. If you need to generate content, like a full PDF summary or create something from scratch, Siri can seamlessly pass your request to ChatGPT, making it easier to get the answers or content you need. And don't worry, this feature is opt-in, and Siri always asks for permission before sending anything to ChatGPT. Siri's new AI upgrades are more powerful, yet still privacy-focused. Number 4. Summarization Capabilities. Let's move on to the new summarization capabilities. If you're dealing with long articles or documents, macOS Sequoia makes it easy to get quick summaries. Just highlight the text, and you can generate a summary in various formats: paragraphs, key points, or even tables. Here's a tip: use the Summarize option to condense long emails, research papers, or reports into bite-sized key points. It's a real time saver when you need to digest a lot of information quickly. Number 5. Photos AI Features. The Photos app in macOS Sequoia 15.1 has received a significant upgrade with new AI-powered cleanup features. These tools allow users to remove unwanted objects from their images with ease. How it works: the AI analyzes the image and generates automatic suggestions for cleanup. This on-device processing ensures that your photos remain private while providing a convenient starting point for editing. Bonus: how AI features work. Finally, let's take a quick look behind the scenes. All these AI features are powered by on-device processing, meaning your data stays secure and tasks are handled faster. Apple's machine learning frameworks, like Core ML, drive these tools, ensuring they're optimized for Macs with Apple Silicon. And with dedicated neural engines in the M1, M2, and M3 chips, AI tasks are lightning fast. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these insights and tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. Let me know in the comments which AI feature you're most excited about in macOS Sequoia 15.1.